Hello everyone and welcome back. Today, we embark on a journey into the realm of IT architecture, uncovering the intricacies of various roles within this dynamic field. We'll explore various IT architect roles, including business or solution architect, defines, maintains, and extends functional product architecture for applications. Application architect guides application development team through development process. Ensures development is done right the first time and has an understanding of how products relate with other products and ensures interdependencies are in focus. Software technology architect defines and maintains architecture principles and standards for application development based on business requirements. Infrastructure technology architect focuses primarily on disciplines of selection, operation and administration of commercial off-the-shelf or COTS systems and system software that make up underlying operating environment in support of business processes. General duties and responsibilities documents and publishes appropriate architecture principles and standards, position papers, blueprints, best practices, patterns and frameworks. Defines, constructs, supports and provides training for enterprise frameworks. Maintains a catalog of reusable functional application components consumable across applications and product lines. Reviews functional and technical designs to identify areas of risk and/or missing requirements. Acts as tiebreaker on design decisions. Documents and communicates opportunities to leverage inter-project synergies and opportunities to expose application assets for enterprise consumption. Communicates system architecture to technical and business audiences, and other related duties assigned as needed. Educational requirements. IT architects must have a bachelor's degree in computer science or engineering or the equivalent combination of education, training, or work experience. Postgraduate education desired. Requires the following experience or equivalent combination of education and experience as a minimum to enter any level of IT architect job. Must have led technology direction for multiple projects and led or presented architecture concepts outside realm of immediate workgroup. Demonstrated experience as application development system designer or technical lead on many very large, for example, 10,000 hours or more spanning more than 6 months projects. May also require one or more of the following experience requirements. 5 or more years working in a distributed and heterogeneous computing environment such as ZOS, Unix, or Windows. 5 or more years demonstrated experience in working with relational and/or hierarchical databases. 5 or more years demonstrated experience in modern software application technologies, successful design and implementation of applications in a shared service bureau environment. Experience in building online transaction processing or OLTP, batch and reporting systems. Experience in using Unified Modeling Language or UML for object modeling. And experience in building robust and scalable infrastructure architectures such as telephony systems, network services, web farms, multiple node systems, etc. General knowledge, skills, and abilities. In-depth knowledge of end-to-end systems development life cycles including waterfall, iterative and other modern approaches to software development. Proficiency in solutions design and requirements definition disciplines leveraging model-driven design-based tools and techniques including conceptual solution component models, business process models, use cases, etc. Outstanding verbal and written communication skills to technical and non-technical audiences of various levels in the organization, for example, executive, management, individual contributors. Excellent analytical, decision-making, problem-solving, team and time management skills. Ability to persuade and influence others on the best approach to take. Ability to estimate work effort for project subplans or small projects and ensure the project is successfully completed. May require a thorough understanding of design patterns and their application. May require a thorough understanding of model view controller design patterns for web applications. May require a fluency in developing and understanding sequence diagrams, class models, and etc. May require in-depth knowledge of networking, computing platform, storage, database, security, middleware, network and systems management, and related infrastructure technologies and practices. Job profiles. IT architect. This is career level role. Moderate skills with high level of proficiency. Uses best practices and knowledge of technologies and processes that are appropriate for the architecture discipline the incumbent is assigned to improve products and/or services. Works under general supervision with latitude for independent judgment. Works on small to large, complex projects that require increased skill in multiple technical environments. Works on one or more projects as a team member or occasionally as a project lead. May coach junior technical staff. May consult with senior peers on certain projects. Typically requires 4 or more years of systems development. IT Architect Senior. This is advanced professional role. Highly skilled with extensive proficiency. Focuses primarily on one of the 4 architecture disciplines typically within a single business group. Works independently and receives minimal guidance. Serves as a resource for less experienced peers. Wide latitude for independent judgment. Represents a job level at which career may stabilize for many years or potentially until retirement. Typically requires 12 or more years of systems development experience with 5 or more years as an engineer or systems specialist. IT Architect Specialist. This is expert level role. Specialized depth and/or breadth of skills, experience and proficiency. Focuses on 2 or more of the 4 architecture disciplines, typically within a single business group. Must have led the technology direction, including the leadership responsibility for technical leads and/or other architects, for multiple very large projects. Must be capable of performing acquisition due diligence. Interprets internal or external business and technology issues and recommends best practices. Takes a broad perspective to identify innovative solutions to solve complex problems. Works independently, with guidance on only the most complex situations. Wide latitude for independent judgment. Often leads functional teams or projects. Typically requires 16 or more years of systems development experience with 8 or more years as an engineer or systems specialist. IT Architect Consultant. This is the most senior professional role. Expert level depth and/or breadth of skills, experience and proficiency. Focuses on 2 or more of the 4 architecture disciplines that span multiple business groups. Is a recognized expert within the enterprise for all of the architecture disciplines on which the incumbent focuses. Must have led acquisition due diligence for multiple projects and programs across diverse lines of business. Must have led the technology direction, including the leadership responsibility for technical leads and/or other architects, for multiple very large projects. Solves unique and complex problems that have a broad impact on the enterprise. Anticipates internal and/or external business and technology challenges and/or regulatory issues, recommends process, product or service improvements. Takes a leadership role in architectural strategies. Operates with no supervision in a complex environment. Wide latitude for independent judgment. Often leads functional teams or projects. Typically requires 20 or more years of systems development experience with 12 or more years as an engineer or systems specialist. In conclusion, IT architects play pivotal roles in designing, implementing, and optimizing complex IT systems. From entry-level to senior positions, their expertise ensures efficient technology integration. Specialist and consultant roles offer focused insights and flexible solutions. Together, these professionals drive innovation, reliability, and strategic advancement in IT landscapes. Thank you for joining me on this video. Next up is IT Security Analyst Job Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more career insights.